All right, y'all. The excitement never stops with trucking. Now, I don't know if this is a tornado. I've never seen anything like this before. I'm not really sure. If it is, it is. It isn't, it isn't. It's right near a nuclear power plant here in Georgia. And I'm not sure if it's a fire that's actually near the nuclear power plant or it's an actual tornado. But there it is right there. So we'll see. I'm heading right for it, so we'll see what happens here. I don't know. Doesn't look like fire clouds. It's the same color as the damn cloud. So I don't know if this is a fire or not. We'll let you know soon, though. I've never seen a tornado up and close and personal, but we'll see what this is. Doesn't really look like a tornado, but anyway. I say it's probably a fire, but I don't know, y'all. I've seen water spouts before, but never tornadoes inland on the ground, so I don't think it is, though. I think it's a fire. It's kind of weird though, because it's the same color as clouds, you know. So I don't know. It's going up. Going up pretty rapidly too. I guess it isn't. Kind of doesn't look like a tornado. It's not a tube shape, so I'm not sure. Whatever it is, it's going up in the clouds though. Good shot of it there. Alright, enough said on that one.